Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Union Mines Ministry rejects ore ban recommendation by Shah Commission. Not feasible to ban export, Ministry says in its report. India against corruption to intensify agitation for Lokayukta in Goa. Gives deadline till 27 December to get the bill through. Bus owners complain against Transport Department officials, say that private bus owners were pressurized to employ their buses for Sonia's meeting. Politics begins over CM's Liberation Bonanza. BJP says they will provide houses to government servants in reply to CM's 5,000 rupees bonus. Goa has the best youth development program in the country, says former Olympian footballer Fortunato Franco. And Indian football gears up for revolution. Technical Director Robert Barnes sets 10-year target. Dutchman focused on youth development. Now the news in detail. The Ministry of Mines has rejected the Justice Shah Committee's suggestion of banning exports of iron ore and manganese ore to check illegal mining, saying that the export of minerals is guided by policy and it has referred the matter to Ministry of Commerce. Justice M.B. Shah Commission of Inquiry, which went into illegal mining, had advocated ban on export of these minerals. PTI news agency has released the story on Tuesday evening.
The Ministry of Mines, while referring to issues of Department of Commerce, has differed with the Commission's view and said exports cannot be held as the reason for illegal mining. Rather, it is lack of governance at state government levels which has largely contributed to illegal mining. Ministry of Mines, however, in its action taken report on recommendations has differed from Commission suggestion. The Ministry is of the view that a ban on export of iron ore may not be feasible. It is said that exports are guided by export-import policy under Ministry of Commerce. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
India against corruption has given deadline to the government till 27 December to implement the Goa Lokayukt bill. Anna Hazare's fast in Mumbai is scheduled on 27th or 29 December. Co-group member of Team Anna, Dinesh Waghela, has threatened the government of a massive agitation in Goa if the government fails to implement the Lokayukt bill.
Goa unit of India against corruption had given deadline till 19 December to the government to implement the Goa Lokayukt Bill 2011. Goa government has failed to implement the bill within this stipulated period. Dinesh Waghela, core member of Team Anna, has said that they will launch a massive agitation if government fails to do it till 27 December.
Within 2 to 3 days, and it will be start unsun. I don't think we will. It is advisable for us to start unsun or dharna before 27, because this 27 is not very far. So I don't want to immediately dilute our energy for the small reasons. So we are just waiting to get on 27 or 29th, the 9th, whatever the day Annaji fix. So from that day onwards, we will start our agitation with the full force. It may be the dharna, it may be fast, it may be rallies, it may be the candle march, it may be the human chain, all sorts of nature of the action program will be take place after 27th.
Waghela said that Goa government is purposely delaying implementation of the Goa Lokayuk bill. He said that the delay in the same will not be tolerated anymore.
Why the government playing all those tricks? Because the matter was very simple. Our assembly has passed this bill in 2003. It has gone to the center. Center suggested only the 2 correction, which correction is carried out. So I don't see any reason or any further permission or clarification in this matter. Government would have immediately would have finished this matter.
Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sushant Par.
All Goa Bus Owners Association has claimed that private bus owners were pressurized to commute activists during Sonia Gandhi's Kampal meeting. They have also alleged involvement of senior transport officials. Association has complained to the transport department.
जवळ 200 बसी त्या दिसा मिटिंगेक गेल्ल्यो आनी प्रवाशान अक्षरशः त्या दिसा हाल जाल्लेले आहा. त्या संदर्भान आज कंप्लेंट दिल्या आनी त्या असिस्टंट डायरेक्टरांचेर आमी इमिजिएटली एक्शन घेवची अशी मागणी केल्या कंप्लेनींची. ज्या वाहतूक अधिकाऱ्यांनी पळय फायन मारल्या तेंच्यांनीच जर कायदो मोडूंक लायला जाल्यार इमिजिएटली पयली वाहतूक अधिकाऱ्यांचेर एक्शन जावंक जाय आनी जो कोण बस मालक पळय तितून गुंतलेलो तेचेरूय एक्शन जावंक जाय. कित्याक आमी ऑलरेडी सगळ्यांक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट बी काडून इन्फॉर्म केल्लेले की बसी दिवं नाका आनी लोकांक त्रास करूं नाका म्हणून.
Some of the politicians transported people from various parts of the state as show of strength for the public meeting of UPA President Sonia Gandhi, which was held on 17 December at Panji. ST buses from Maharashtra, Karnataka, tourist buses, KTC buses, passenger buses plying on regular route were seen commuting people. Association claimed that some of the bus owners were pressurized. A meeting was held at Transport Department on Tuesday. Transport Director Arun Desai will hand over the case to the RTO.
जावपाक शकता आनी ताचो इफेक्ट पॅसेंजराचेर जावपाक शकता. सो हाचे प्रिकॉशन घेवपा खातीर तुमी एडिटींग इंस्ट्रक्शन कितें दिवना असो कोण वायोलेट करता तांकां समजा फायन दिवपाक.
न्ही सी अदरवायज ऑल्सो इट इज देयर ड्युटी टू फायंड आउट इफ देर आर एनी वायोलेशन्स. ओके, बीइंग लायसन्सिंग एंड रेगुलेटिंग ऑथॉरिटी, it is their duty, and I don't think there were special directions required to take action. Competent authority to take action in this matter is the RTA, the respective RTA, Road Transport Authority. Okay, the fact mentioned in the complaint that of 2000 rupees fine and all is not been made put by me, but all those things, cases have been decided by RTA, which is a quasi judicial authority.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamle, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.